Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make gingerbread whoopie pies. They're cakey gingerbread cookies sandwiched together with cream cheese frosting. Let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Then in a medium bowl, add in the flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, ginger, cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves. Whisk them until combined. And set it aside for now. Then in a large bowl, add in the softened butter and brown sugar, and cream them with an electric mixer on medium to high speed for 3 to 5 minutes until light, pale, and fluffy. Then add in the egg, molasses, and vanilla extract, and beat them in for another minute or two. Then mix together the buttermilk and water. Then add about half of the dry ingredients into the creamed mixture. Mix by hand until just combined. Then add in the liquid ingredients. Mix until just combined. And add the rest of the dry ingredients. And again, mix until just combined. Don't overmix the batter. Scoop 1 or 2 tablespoons of batter onto parchment-lined sheet pans, spacing them out 2 inches apart to give them room to spread. And bake them in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes until set. If you're baking 2 pans at once, rotate the pans and switch oven racks halfway through so they bake evenly. When they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool on the pan for 5 minutes. Then transfer them to a cooling rack and let them cool completely. Then you will need half a recipe of my best ever cream cheese frosting. I'll link to my video showing how to make this in the description box. Pipe the frosting onto the bottom side of half of the cookies. And add another cookie on top of each one. And that's how to make gingerbread whoopie pies. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.